Alright guys, hello and welcome back. So we are here at Planet Hollywood. Long requested walkthrough of this place. I haven't done it yet. No excuses not to. Go ahead, Mom. Thank you. So off to the left you have Gordon Ramsay's Burger. Off to the right is your restroom area. Like the flames at Gordon Ramsay. It's pretty sweet. Hold on a second, we'll check this out. You can actually feel the heat from this thing all the way to the other side of the room. But yeah, if you're looking for Gordon Ramsay's Burger, it's here at Planet Hollywood. So we'll continue our walk here. Over there is the Extra Lounge. So up ahead we have the race and sports books, the poker room, high limit slots, and the Blue Moon Bar. So we'll have to all check that out here. Got some table gaming going on up here as well. So the Spice Market Buffet, you go down the escalators over here. That will take you to the buffet here at the MGM, or not the MGM, Planet Hollywood, sorry. So right down there is where you go for the buffet. And straight ahead, if you walk that way, that will take you through the Miracle Mile shop. Off over on the left-hand side here is going to be Starbucks.
Yeah, I know.
Over on the left-hand side is the Cafe Hollywood. Looks kind of like 50 Diners style setup. Casino floor is over on the right-hand side here, so if you're staying at Planet Hollywood, the north elevators are straight ahead and over to the left. There's restrooms, high limit slots, and the Miracle Mile shops over to the right-hand side, along with the poker room and south elevators. So we will kind of wrap around and show you that here. It's a hot one today, guys. We have quite a few things planned. I wanted to do the walkthrough of Planet Hollywood. This has long been requested by you guys. I'm sorry it hasn't been done, but we will get it accomplished today. Approaching up on the left is the red Corvette that you can win here at Planet Hollywood. Also straight ahead of us is the high limit slot. So if you're feeling lucky, place to go. Straight ahead here, over to the left-hand side where those people are walking in and out, that will be your south elevators. Also, restrooms are up that way as well. They have some high-limit tables up here as well, and your cashier, sports book, things like that will all be up over on this side. So straight ahead is where you'd have your cashier's cage. We're kind of going to work our way back to the casino floor, around the gaming tables and stuff. Then we'll come back to where we came in at here at Planet Hollywood. So over to the left is going to be your high limit tables. So we'll kind of walk by those. That is your high limit table lounge right over there. minimums back on that table there were $25, so kind of expensive. They have $5 minimums here as well that I saw earlier, so they do have some more reasonable ones. So the girls that you can take pictures with at Planet Hollywood are right over there. They have a bunch of gaming space in this place. It's absolutely huge. That, and combined with the Miracle Mile shop, this place is pretty hard to top in floor space. Straight ahead, right here, this would be your sports book. So football Sundays, that's the place to hang out, have a good drink, watch some good games. We're kind of going to work our way around to the right-hand side here, and then we'll show you where we usually walk through and do the strip walk from years past. So Planet Hollywood is friendly on filming. They don't care. I walk past 2 or 3 security guards now and they don't have a problem with it. Yellow's Mexican Grill is going to be right over on your left-hand side, as well as the exit way to get back to the boulevard. So if you go left right over here, that's the way we've gone in the past for strip walks, and it's always worked out pretty well. If you want to get a Players Club card here at Planet Hollywood, it's over on the left. It's Total Rewards. It's Caesars, I believe. P.F. Chang's is over on the left-hand side as well. It's a pretty big casino floor. The showroom stuff is up on the top left-hand side, so you got to go upstairs on the escalator to get up there. But we're kind of wrapping around towards Gordon Ramsay, so you guys know what that means. We will leave it off here with a quick walkthrough of Paris, or not Paris, excuse me, Planet Hollywood here in Las Vegas, Nevada. It's been a pleasure. My name is Ryan. I will be your host on these epic walkthroughs and adventures, so I hope you all enjoyed this one. We will be back with plenty of more content to put up on the channel. If you're interested in supporting the channel, you can do so with the links below. There's a link to a merch website as well as Patreon as well. It's expensive to come and film through the city. It's expensive to get here from time to time, so that will help us get to Las Vegas more often to do these filmings. But I hope you all have a beautiful day. We'll leave off here, and we'll be back with some more content in a little bit.